What is your view from a different vantage point on how boardroom conversations are changing across companies that you may have worked with?
Now boards have started giving importance, at least from the management perspective. Independent directors are questioning, so they are questioning about, they are really concerned about compliances. So the questions that are being asked around, can you use, like for example, during our last February board meeting, one of our independent directors who is well versed in the finance line posed a question to me. So, Meera, tell me, you are reporting all these compliance. So, I take care of corporate compliances, and I'm not into labor and direct tax compliances. That's been handled by a different team in my organization. So, when I was but I used to actually take all inputs from all the people and then report to the board on all compliances. So, this director's question was, so you tell me how technologically you can. Like for example, if a GST filing is done, can we know, can a service provider, can a technology service provider give you an input from the day that you have filed? From there itself, can it be integrated? Can that be integrated? So, like for example, when you do an MCA filing with Ministry of Corporate Affairs, can we know the filing date from there instead of you doing it through a tool or through an Excel? So how technologically it will advance, and how that helps you too. So you tell me, you give me a tool which gives the comprehensive list of compliances, at the same time how it is being integrated with web today. So that was the question that he has posed. So that question, that I could really see that's definitely a service provider like you will definitely help in that. Not only for IT, for any industry across, you will help us to integrate all the compliances and ensure that the reporting is being done to the board, so that it is not like we report based on whatever inputs we get from people. It is just like you take it from the software and then that provides the reports. So that shift I'm seeing now, that's very important.